Warning, there is a good chance Bitcoin Mike has no idea what he's talking about. Do your own research. Enjoy the show. Thank you. All right, folks, the markets are absolutely in turmoil today. Bitcoin was just down to 16,800 like 10 minutes ago. What the hell is going on? Why is everything crashing? Well, I think everybody already knows why everything's crashing. Made a video yesterday. I thought this would probably be temporary, but now that I do some more thought, I understand why we haven't come back yet. I understand a little bit more what's going on with Binance and FTX. And there's just a lot of uncertainty out there, folks, and I totally get it. This might be the capitulation event, folks. Bitcoin going down to $14,000 or $12,000. This could be exactly what we needed to flush everything out and basically come back up from there. We all knew it was that possibility of a $12,000 Bitcoin. I made videos in the past, Richard Hart talking about it, Gareth Soloway talking about it. In fact, I said it was most likely probable. The question is, would we pump first? Well, I think we would have. But this whole FTX debacle with Binance killed any opportunity for that short-term pump. And now we are in the abyss, and $12,000 Bitcoin is certainly a possibility, possibly even a probability. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we all know that Binance, well, here's what happened. We all know that basically everybody was basically trying to get all their tokens off the FTX exchange because they thought there was a liquidity problem. And it turns out there was, to a point. They stopped withdrawals over there. It looked like the exchange was basically going to go under. Binance, CZ Binance came in and said, look, I'm going to buy your exchange. All said and good. But before he's going to buy the exchange, he has to do due diligence, which he said in the tweet. So there's also a possibility that if CZ Binance looks into this situation and says, whoa, FTX is way too fucked up for me to buy this, it's basically a piece of crap, he won't buy it. And if he doesn't buy it, that's going to cause a lot of problems in the crypto space. People might lose their money on FTX exchange. And also, folks, I've made some videos in the past about FTX. Remember, I'm talking about FTX US. I'm a US customer. I have money on FTX US, not FTX International. I want to clarify that. They're two different things. And I'm totally confident with FTX US. That's under US regulations. But FTX International is a whole different story. If they don't have those funds, or if CZ Binance backs out of this deal, you're probably going to see an $8,000 to $10,000 Bitcoin. Maybe we'll stop at 12,000, but that's going to really create a big problem in the market. This story is all over today. It's all over CNBC. That's all they're talking about on CNBC. This is like the biggest news in finance, this whole debacle, and it's killing the markets. So that's basically what's going on. FTX Binance standoff highlights the need for clear rules. And absolutely, I agree with that. And I think what this is going to do is, with FTX going under, you're going to see major regulation coming in the next year. And this is kind of what crypto needs. But in the near term, you're going to see, just a major crash. And you also have to remember, folks, I've been talking about Solana. There's over 900 million Solana, $900 million in Solana to be unlocked in 24 hours. So basically with Solana, the price is down. Solana is down like what? A lot? Where's Solana? I don't even know where. Okay, Solana, it's down, almost 41%, down to a $14 Solana. There's a bunch of Solana that's going to be unlocked either tonight or tomorrow. So you're going to see that. You're probably going to see a $5 Solana. I've been making videos the last 6 months telling people, don't buy Solana. It's a piece of crap. There's too much venture capitalists behind it. We're probably going to see Solana maybe even just go to zero. If I had to bet right now, I'd say Solana's finished. FTT coin is definitely finished. And I'd say most likely Solana's finished. And once Solana goes to zero, I will be gloating, and I will be making a YouTube video of a compilation of all my correct predictions. And all I did in my predictions was just, if Crypto Banter ran nooner, Crypto Banter was predicting it and shilling it, I knew not to be involved with it. And if you took that stance, you're doing just fine in this bear market. So not looking too good for Solana. The overall markets are down. What am I doing? What is Bitcoin Mike doing? Folks, I'm buying. I bought $3,000 worth of VeChain yesterday at like just over 2 cents. We're probably lower now as Bitcoin pumps. Actually, that's right around where I bought it. I mean, it's not even down that much. I bought yesterday. I'm looking to buy Litecoin, and I'm also looking to buy GBTC. GBTC, folks. I almost bought GBTC last week at $12, and I was like, you know what? I'm only going to buy GBTC if we get a major dump. I'm looking for an $8 GBTC. GBTC had a high of like almost $70. This is like a no-brainer. You get your GBTC on the stock exchange. I can get it on TD Ameritrade. Folks, I'm more excited than I've ever been. I'm seeing comments on my YouTube video, calling me an idiot, like, oh my God, all these coins are going to go down lower. Everybody, all this scared money. This scared money and this capitulation event only makes me more and more bullish and more interested in crypto. This is what I've been waiting for. Crypto's been in this range of 20,000, 18 to 20,000 for the last 6 months. It's been boring. It hasn't been doing anything. It hasn't even been worth buying anything. Now we're getting it. Now we're getting that capitulation. It looks like this is going to be it, folks. That $12,000 Garasolo has been talking about, that Richard Hart's been talking about, it looks like we might get that. Now, everybody's expecting 12,000, so maybe we'll just hit like 14 or 15,000. Regardless, who cares? We're almost at bottom, and I'm loving it. You got BNB down under $300, Cardano at 34 cents. Now, remember, Cardano was at 34 cents just 2 weeks ago. This is nothing new for Cardano. When Bitcoin was at 18,000 2 weeks ago, Cardano was at 34 cents. Cardano's actually holding up better than most coins. I mean, let's be honest. Dogecoin back to 8 cents. Matic's down to 82. Matic is going to be losing all of its gains it had over the last month because it's all pumping. It's, pump and dump it. Solana is a failed finished project. I'd be shorting Solana right now, but I don't short and I really don't want to create a Bybit account. Litecoin under $50, absolute buy. Theta's probably at like 95 cents right now. And Theta's been holding up very, very well, to be honest with you. Theta's at 95 cents, so not too bad. Theta was just at 95 cents a couple weeks ago. This is nothing new, folks. We've been here before. Could Theta go down to 70 cents? Absolutely. I don't know, but I'm buying the dumps, folks. This is it. This is capitulation. It's all over the news. Everybody says it's the end of the world. I'm seeing the negative comments on my YouTube channel. This is capitulation. If you're not buying now, or as we dump further, or now, or cost averaging now, you have no business being in crypto. Go buy some gold, go buy some stocks. This is when you make the money in crypto. I've been cost averaging all year. Nobody knows when the bottom's going to be. We're at lows right now for Bitcoin, okay? Yes, we could go lower. We probably will go lower, especially if Binance backs out of the whole freaking FTX deal. And I hope he does back out because I want to see a $12,000 Bitcoin. I want everybody flushed out. Flush all the pieces of crap out of the freaking market and get all that dumb money out of there so we can basically rebound from there. So like I said, folks, what am I doing? In a nutshell, I'm looking to buy some BNB at about under 250. I'm looking to buy Cardano under 30 cents. Okay, I'm looking to buy Dogecoin under 5 cents. I'm looking to buy Matic under 50 cents. I'm looking to buy Litecoin under 50. I'm looking to buy Theta under 95 cents, which we are right now, but I'll probably wait till under 90 cents for Theta. And I'm looking for more VeChain under 2 cents. Okay, they're the main coins I'm looking at. And as far as GBTC, I'm looking for GBTC under $8 or around $8. I can buy that on my TD Ameritrade. Folks, this is when you should be interested. If you're scared right now and you're terrified, and remember, that's not how you're supposed to be. You're supposed to be taking advantage of what's going on right now. It's a scary time. I get it. There's a lot going on. It's scary. FTX, a major exchange that crashed. But you know what? I truly believe with FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried that if CZ didn't buy FTX, yes, like any bank, they don't have all the money in cash in the bank. But I do believe they would have halted withdrawals and eventually people would get all their money back as they were able to sell assets. So I don't think this is like a BlockFi situation or a Celsius situation. I just think to save face, because they were going to have to shut down withdrawals, which they did anyway, and then they would have to liquidate everything that they had. They basically just said, screw it, we're going to basically sell to Binance. But I don't put Sam Bankman-Fried in the same category as I do Celsius and all these other scammers. I just think he got in a little bit over his head. But that's just my opinion, and we'll see what happens, folks. Anyway, very scary times in crypto, but I'm loving it. Call me crazy. I don't know. I'm walking around with a smile on my face today. This is absolutely incredible. I want Bitcoin just to flush down to $14,000, $13,000, $12,000. Folks, buying now makes you a millionaire in 2024. Okay? If you're scared money, you're making negative comments on YouTube channels saying, oh, we're going lower, oh, we're going lower. Nobody knows what the bottom's going to be, okay? If you're saying if you have no crypto right now and you're waiting till we go lower, That's not a winning attitude. Most of those people don't make any money because if Bitcoin drops to 12,000, you're going to say you're not buying any until it goes lower either. If it drops to 8,000, you're going to say you're not buying any until it goes lower. You got to minimally be cost averaging right now. I'm loving it. Anyway, folks, good stuff. I'll do another video later. This is what I've been waiting for the last year and a half. And it's freaking awesome. Like and subscribe.